Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can change Apple ID email address. So if you want to change the Apple ID email address on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can change Apple ID email address on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started how you can do that. First of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here we have to scroll it down, then here tap on general, then tap on software update. And first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. So after that, here you'll have to go back and here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. So if you are connected with Wi-Fi, then make sure that your internet connection is strong and it's up to the mark. So after that, again open setting on your iPhone device, then here tap on your Apple ID profile. So here you can see that here is my Apple ID profile. So here you will have to tap on sign in and security. So after that, here wait a while, it's processing. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will see that currently I'm using this email address on my iPhone device. So if you want to change the email address on your iPhone device, then here tap on edit. So then here you'll have to tap on this sign, then tap on delete. Then after that, here you'll have to tap on add email or phone number on your iPhone device. So here you can see that here's the option of add an email address. So here you will have to tap on add an email address. So after that, here with a while, it's again processing. So after that, here you will have to enter your email address on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, it will verify, then you will be able to change the email address on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way, you can change Apple ID email address on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.